Okay, so this is a recap for Friday, December 27th. A bit of a red day in the market. The fabulous 7 names were down, tech down. Let's see. Yeah, the Russell down the most. But yeah, we'll start with SPY. So still watching this rising wedge to see if this is a back test for the breakdown. So we're still keeping this 50 moving average as support, so that is good. Nothing really changes until we either break 607 or break down below 580.91. So I can expect us to tighten up. Sorry, I'm sick today too. I can expect us to possibly tighten up here, kind of find support along the 50 moving average, and we'll see where the break takes us. So the tech sector, NASDAQ, down 1.31% today. Still hanging out by the 8 and 12 EMA, still above the 50 EMA, so still looks fine. Same thing, just kind of expecting it to trade sideways into the end of the year. The Dow is definitely the weakest of the three, and we're now looking down. We have bounced enough to make a higher low, but the thing is we haven't retraced a lot of this move down, so there's a higher chance that we will break down and we can see follow through to the downside, so watch out for that. The Russell, even more so. We are definitely, the Russell is the weakest, so we need this support here to hold, or we can see significant follow through from there. So I'm just taking the most mentioned names from Twitter today. KULR, KULR. Let's see where we're at. Oh, new all-time high today. So I'm going to have that on back burner watch for hourly oversold. I'll set even an alert right there. So yeah, very strong bullish name, and just watch the daily higher highs. Hopefully, I'm hoping to make an entry around the daily 80 MA would be nice. But yeah, very strong name at this time. Volume, yeah, good volume to go with it too. So good liquidity. Tesla, the daily lower high has been set. So now we're just trying to make a daily higher low than 414.50. So we're needing that to be set soon. Still holding the 12 EMA, daily 12 EMA. So not all is not lost yet. So we're seeing if we can still tighten out till the rest of the year, just like the rest of the tech sector. LUNR. Is this a new all-time high name? Nope. Still making a run for all-time highs. It's quite a ways away, actually. But we are in 52-week highs, so that is good enough. So this is a name you can keep on back burner watch for daily higher lows. So that I will put an hourly alert for oversold. But looking good. Volume. Yeah, a bit of a pause day, so we may just trade sideways to see what happens here. If we trade sideways, or if we come back test the previous high here, it's at 1714. But yeah, this strong name, one to be looking out for sure. NVDA, we're kind of seeing if we're having a inverse head and shoulders kind of play out here. So the neckline would be here to watch for. but still searching for a daily higher low at this time. So we're still waiting for this to turn around. Rocket Lab, another all-time high name. Took a bit of a breather inside bar day today, but still looks really good. And another name I have on back burner watch. Hourly not quite oversold yet, but we are still looking really good. Oh, sorry, it didn't make a new all-time high. We're still got so yeah, I'm looking kind of this at a cup and handle pattern here actually. So I will be looking for my entry here in the next coming days. But looks really good. Definitely one to be watching. ACHR, bit of a pause and hold day as well. Are we at all-time highs? We are not, but we are quickly approaching. So we are 52-week highs and looking really strong. Put this on back burner watch for hourly oversold. Very strong name. How's the volume for this? That's got pretty good volume. Good enough. I'm probably looking at options. So yeah, see where the next hourly oversold takes us, probably to the ADMA, and I will be interested there for a back test of the previous 52-week high. AMD, I haven't liked this name for a long time, for good reason. We are in a monthly downtrend, so that is the trend. We are monthly downtrend, so don't forget that this is the trend. So the longer term trend we are in. So hopefully we are trying to put in a monthly or a quarterly higher low at this point. But we don't look good. It did break through break support here with no follow through. So that is a good sign, but we need to start changing trends on longer term time frames. Like we still haven't changed the daily trend, so we're looking for a daily higher low, and that would kind of be like a inverse head and shoulders playing out. So still waiting for, we'll need to break this high. Was that 127.51 to kind of get confirmation that we are breaking out, heading back up. But let's see, on the weekly is not quite oversold. Daily was oversold. So we're just bouncing out of that right now. Daily's not oversold anymore. So yeah, I'd be interested if we do get a daily trend change. But not until then, at least, at the very least. RGTI, all-time highs, looking really strong. Short-term trades only at this point, though, but yeah, very strong name. Might be seeing a bit of a volume climax, but there is crazy volume coming into this name. So I would be interested in hourly oversold to see a bounce play there, but I mean, long term, this has gone thousands of %, like in quite a short period of time. So wouldn't be thinking long term on this one. Yeah, 3 months and it's already gone up probably close to 2,000%. RCAT, kind of a bit of a red day today for sure. We're not all-time highs. We are 52-week highs, so that is interesting. Kind of a pause on the weekly bar, and still just an inside bar on the daily, bouncing a little bit after hours, but we might just be back testing this previous 52-week high before we head higher. So interested on a break of this inside bar. SOUN is in all-time highs, but it is oversold on every time frame. So once again, something to look out for. A daily inside bar on the day, closing towards the higher end of the range of yesterday's candle. Seeing a lot of volume though, crazy volume coming into all these AI names. So yeah, another name that I have on hourly back burner watch. So the next time I see it in hourly oversold, I will be buying it and selling a portion into the bounce. And that is everything for today. All right, thank you very much. See you later.